Hello guys, it's Dale here with a weekly trading ideas video for this week starting the 16th of January 2023. The first trading idea that I'd like to show you is on the ES, which is futures for Standards and Poor's Index 500. This is the symbol I'm using in my NinjaTrader 8 platform. I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame, which is the main time frame I use for my day trading analysis. So that's what you see before you. And what I want to talk about is a strong support, which is at 39.70. Before that, there was also a support which I mentioned in one of the previous videos which I sent you. It was based on this volume cluster within this uptrend. The setup I used here was called the trend setup. Right here, this is how the price reached that level, and this was the reaction to it. So this is level which already played out and it is spent. And the new level which I have in here is based on the volume profile setup as well, but this one is a different setup. This one is called the rejection setup. Rejection setup is when there is a rejection of lower prices, like in here the price goes one way, then turns suddenly and goes aggressively upwards. So this is a rejection, right? In this case, this is a rejection of lower prices because buyers, aggressive institutional buyers, rejected low prices here, right? And pushed the price aggressively upwards. And if you look into the rejection zone, this zone, then what you want to see is a significant volume cluster like this one. This is a place which is the most important place within this rejection zone, as it is telling us that buyers who rejected the low prices and started this new uptrend were most active in here, and they placed most of their long positions in here. This is what the volume cluster in here is telling us, right? Where you want to trade from is from such a volume cluster. In this case, the volume cluster is at 39.70. You can even go a little bit higher and trade this from 39.74, so you are sure that you don't miss the trade. Maybe the price will just touch the volume cluster and react from there, which would result in a missed opportunity if you are trading from 39.70. So if you really want to catch this one, you may want to enter a little bit sooner. But as you can see, I have my level at 39.70. This is where I'll be trading from, at least if any strong order flow confirmation doesn't come in this area. If it does, then I'll just go long from the place where the order flow confirmation will come. Alright, but in this video, I want to talk about volume profile trading, not about order flow trading. If you're interested in order flow trading, then you can check out my website. There's an order flow course, so you can learn about order flow there. So anyways, this is the trading idea on the ES futures for the Standards and Poor's 500 index. The next trading idea that I would like to show you is on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So this is the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Again, this is a 30-minute time frame. And in here, there is a very strong downtrend. And what is very important in here is this last part of the downtrend where the sell-off was very, very aggressive. All those red candles, this is very aggressive selling activity. Big trading institutions are capable of doing, right? And what you want to see is significant volume zone somewhere in the downtrend. In this case, a significant volume zone appears right here before this aggressive selling activity, right? So this heavy volume zone is telling us that sellers who were pushing the price downwards were adding to their short positions in here in this little rotation. And what they did next was they pushed the price aggressively even lower from here. But this is the place where they were active. That's why it is important, because big trading institutions will most likely be defending this heavy volume zone, right? That's why I have my resistance in here at 96.11. When there is a pullback, I expect that sellers from this place will be defending this important zone, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. Right? This is why I think this should work as a strong resistance. The setup which I used here is called the trend setup. This is because you use it when there is a trend, obviously. So that's the resistance on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Let's now move forward into the next trading idea. The next one is on the Euro Swiss franc. So now the chart shows a 30-minute time frame, Euro Swiss franc, and in here I have a setup which is called the volume accumulation setup. This is also volume profile setup, and what you want to see with this setup is a rotation, like in here, followed by a strong trend activity, like in here. Next thing you do is you use volume profile, flexible volume profile, to look into the area, most importantly into the rotation area before the uptrend. Volume profile will show you how the volumes were distributed in here, right? You need to see massive volumes before this uptrend. And when you see those massive volumes, then you want to trade from the beginning of that heavy volume zone. In this case, it is at 0.9909. So what this is telling us is that buyers were building up the long positions in this rotation. And then those buyers pushed the price aggressively upwards, right? And this zone is important for those buyers. It is still important because they placed a lot of their longs here, and those guys are likely to defend this heavy volume zone, right? They showed us in the past that this zone is important for them. So for that reason, when the price makes it back to this level, at some point in the future, it doesn't need to be today or tomorrow or this week. It could be next week or the week afterwards. But the important thing is that when the price reaches this zone, buyers from here should become active again. They should defend this zone and push the price upwards from there again. Alright, so that's about the volume accumulation setup on the Euro Swiss franc. What we need to do now is just wait for the price to reach this level and then take it from there. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile, and if you are interested in trading alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com. And if you are interested in volume profile or order flow course, then go over here where it says browse courses. You click this and it will take you to this page where you can browse my courses. And in here there is an elite pack which focuses on volume profile trading. It includes volume profile video course, my personal trading levels, you'll be getting those every day, and my personal volume profile indicators that I developed. In here there's a video which you can watch, and it will show you everything that's included in this elite pack. Now, if you are interested in order flow trading, then there's order flow pack, which includes order flow software, order flow video course, and volume profile indicator pack. Again, there's a video which you can watch, and it will show you everything that's included in the order flow pack. Now, if you want both, there is a special combo pack where you can get the elite pack as well as the order flow pack for a discounted price. Alright, so that's about that. Now, before I wrap this video up, I would like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses, then I'll see you in the members area. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Until then, happy trading!